We decided to move our money from a national bank to OneAZ, mostly because, it's important for us to be involved in the community. We like that when we know that when we bank locally, we know that our deposits and the money that we have is going back into the community, whether it be through like a loan to a small business or, being invested in things that we care about or that matter to us as Arizonans. It just makes a huge difference to know that even passively, we can be making a big difference, or it feels big to us, and with where we bank.
So what it means to me to connect with members on a personal level is kind of everything. It helps bring new membership into the credit union, which is growth for the credit union, growth for the community, for more things that we can do with more members. And then also gives me the opportunity to help everyone's lives that come into it financially, as well as helping them get set up for the future.
It's important to have a partnership between me and my bank, partially because we're putting, our livelihood, the money that we make with this institution. We don't want to just feel like a number or feel like if something goes wrong that we won't matter. To have a partnership with something that's so important to our lives and to our family, I think makes a big difference. It helps with, feeling confident in the process, the trust that's there, and I think just makes it easier to open a loan or make those big financial decisions when I feel like I have someone I can go to that has a big knowledge base. I don't have to just Google it or research it. I can be like, hey Heather, how do I do this? And I know that she'll answer me and will actually be invested in the answer and not just give me like the book that they've been told to read from.
The steps we took to move our money from a national bank to OneAZ were pretty simple. So we decided on OneAZ. Then we set up an appointment to come in, talked with them, and they're very helpful. How we can move it over. They have all the resources you need. We set up an account. We set up a savings and a checking account. Transfer some money over. And now we're in the process of getting everything set up with direct deposits from work. And once that's all set, we can close out the other account and be completely at the credit union.
Mm-hmm. To become a member, we just require a share savings account. That is your share in the credit union. A $5 deposit makes you become a member of OneAZ. And from that $5 share savings account, we can establish any new loan accounts with you, any additional banking accounts, and we can do everything based off that $5 share savings.
I would tell someone who's thinking about moving their money from a national institution to OneAZ, just do it. It's, like we said, so easy, and the benefits really are it makes all the difference.